I love it. I think it's been great. I think it's a great addition to the practice. The team loves it. There probably is not one day since we've gotten the printer that we haven't printed. It's overwhelmingly transformed the way that we do dentistry. My partner and I, we have 3 other doctors that work for us. They're really excited about it, and it just opens up the doors for us to be able to provide, in my opinion, what's a better and more appropriate level of care for our patients. And that's what's most important. So my name is Dr. Bianca Clark, and my practice is located in the West Loop of Chicago, Illinois, outside the second location with my partner, West Loop Smile Studio and Hyde Park Smile Studio. My workflow, I would say it's gotten easier with printing. For 1 bottle of resin, I can print almost 200 in laser onlays. So the return on investment is great. The main difference being that I can print 5, 6, 7, 8 restorations faster than I can place them by hand, like any day of the week. And I think that this is an opportunity for people who have a lot of complex restorations that they see in their practice, but maybe are not ready to take the financial leap of a milling unit. Anytime you do a filling, the larger it gets, there is a huge increase in the failure rate. So, imagine having to do a really big filling on a patient or a really big restoration, knowing that it's going to fail. Like, that is, for a dentist, just horrible. You know that you're putting something in that's not going to last a patient. Printing alleviated that for me. Like, I can feel confident in what I'm placing in the patient's mouth. I can feel confident in what I'm doing. I don't have that hesitation or challenge of figuring out what's next. If my printed restoration fails, worst case scenario, I can just reprint it. Patients understand that, they ask questions about it, and the patients that I've had communication with about the printer and explained to them why we'll be printing their restoration have been extremely thankful, grateful, enthusiastic, and just excited. And, to me, they've said that they've been excited to share with their friends and family that they found a dentist that understands the importance of maintaining their own tooth structure.